Welcome to Revive Cooking. We're straight into the kitchen for this one. We've got 3 identical fruit salads and we're going to level each of them up, each with an additional ingredient. So we'll start off simply with mint. And all we're going to do is bunch the mint together and with a knife just gently run it through, keeping the fingers nice and tucked behind. Doesn't need to be fast, doesn't need to be speedy, just needs to be safe. And then just rock the knife. And with that, what we'll do is take about a third of it and we'll put it on this one. Take a third and put it on this one. And then the remaining mint can go on this one. So there we have our fruit salad leveled up with mint. Now that is delicious. Fruit, mint, match made in heaven, they're meant to be. Let's take this to the next level though, with a chili. So what we'll do is we'll cut the chili in half. And we want the chili for its flavour, not so much for its spice, although we do want like just a little bit of spice in there. So what we'll do is we'll remove the seeds and that bit of membrane. That's where all the capsaicin is, that spicy bit. And with this, we'll run the knife lengthways, again keeping the fingers nicely tucked out of the way. We've got strips. If we turn those 90 degrees, we can create a nice fine dice. We'll put some on this one. We'll put some on this one. So there we have it. We've got one with mint, and now we've got the next level up, which is mint and chili. To take it to the next level, we're going to use ketchup mayonnaise. So ketchup mayonnaise, it's a kind of sweet soy sauce. It's really rich in its flavour. It's got that kind of molasses kind of taste to it and smell. It's a fantastic product, and we don't need a lot of it. So using a teaspoon just to control how much we're going to put on. And there we go. And here we have our 3 fruit salads, all with the same base ingredients, one with mint and chili, and one with mint, chili and ketchup mayonnaise. This is my take on classic RUJACK fruit salad from Indonesia. My personal favourite out of the 3. I absolutely love that deep, rich flavour that the ketchup mayonnaise gives and that little bit of spice from the chili. Give it a go. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the style of this video. I'm trying out different things to see what works best. Your feedback will help me grow and become the YouTube channel that you want to see. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. You'll find the subscribe button down in the bottom right hand corner. If you want to be notified of those next videos that are being uploaded, then make sure you press that bell icon as well. That's all for this video. I'll see you again next time.